back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I wanted to talk to you about apple slicers. You know, I'm on this diet where I'm trying to eat fairly healthy. And that just means I'm not going to eat a bunch of sugar and stuff like that. So the deal is that you have to eat certain things. You have to eat some peanuts, you have to eat apples and some fruit. Don't sit on the couch and eat potato chips and watch TV 28 hours a day. So I eat a lot of fruit. Pineapples, I'm cutting them up. I eat a lot of apples. So I thought for a treat that I would go ahead and just make Barb and I a cut apple here while we get started filming shows today. So this is the apple slicer that I had at first, and I just picked it up from the grocery store. I looked online and it seems like they're all like the same. There must be whoever's making these, maybe they're making them under several different names, but they virtually look the same. Now I used this one for quite a while, and it's kind of breaking. And it doesn't really work real easy. Okay, so I'll tell you, I like it because I wanted a slicer, and I like a slicer a real lot. Okay, and as you can see, it cuts like this, and then I can do a little bouquet here and say, you know, that's going to go to Barb. Okay, but then I was in the grocery store the other day, and I decided that I should buy a new slicer because I saw one hanging there and it looked better. This particular one says Good Cook Touch on it, and that's what the package looks like. So we pitched that. It comes with this little plastic piece on the bottom. I suppose you could kind of keep it for, you know, when you have it sitting around on your kitchen counter. I don't like to sit things on my kitchen counter because I clean it with the soap, bleach, water mixture, and anything you set on the counter is going to get soap and bleach on it, so I kind of like to keep it clean, so I like that it comes in this little plastic thing here. That's a plus. And I'll tell you, it wasn't very expensive either. I don't know, it was only a few bucks. So price really isn't a concern with this. But whenever I have an apple and it's not centered in the hole in the center, I tend to like try to compensate when I cut, and I cut off at an angle. So I don't think any two apples are the same, but I'm kind of cutting at a little bit of an angle, if you can see here. I'm zooming in now, and I'll show you this. And also too, don't forget that you can always see information about the products that I buy. If you click the subscribe button right now in the lower right hand corner, you'll see details about the show listed right below the video. Okay, but you gotta hit the subscribe button to see that. So this one here just feels heavier by design. You can see that it has some arms that stick up compared to this one here, which is flat. I think that's why this broke. I don't think I pushed too hard on it or something. Honestly, I think it's just bad design. They need to make it a little heavier, spend another 2 cents and give some heavier plastic. So as far as cutting with this one, I'm going to try to do it slow, because I'll tell you, it cuts so fast and easy. You're going to think I fast forwarded it. Okay, I just set it in there, so now it's in there. Okay, here we go. Ready? Here we go. And I even had to cut it a little bit of an angle. And I mean, it cuts really well. This one here is going to be for me. I wasn't really trying to do the bouquet. I do that for Barb, but for me, I got to do this anyway. So I like to have individual wedge pieces and kind of clean them up a little bit. So this is the core that comes out of it, and I definitely recommend the brand. It just says Good Cook on it, so I guess that's the brand. So that's my review for the day. Thanks for watching. See you next time.